Hello colleagues, my name is Chris Cooper. I'm a pediatrician and physician leadership coach and also the founder of Stand Up, Stand Out Docs. People always ask me why it is I wanted to get into this work. And the simple answer is because I've had great mentorship in my 25 years of experience and it's time to share it with others. It started in my first organization. We had a level 4 leader who was very gracious with her time, and she really took the time to train us with the business acumen, with the leadership skills that you don't get in training. She took us to a Quint Studer Physician Excellence Conference way back in May of 2008, and I've been on fire for leadership ever since. I've been in 2 other organizations since then just to try to balance my own work-life issues, and so I've been exposed to many different types of leaders, different leadership styles, and gone ahead and got some more formal training, and it's been a very wonderful experience. So right now I'm in a transition in my career, and it's just time to give back. Frankly, I wish I would have known then, while I was burning out, what I know now. I had leadership training along the way, but the burnout thing didn't really hit the scene till 2010, 2011, when all these extra requirements were placed upon us with the EMR and the meaningful use and the pay for performance and this and that. And as you know, a very high percentage of healthcare workers are burned out, especially after COVID now. So I feel it's my passion, it's my calling now to try to help people in the field who may not have had the opportunity to have this type of training, because it takes a lot of time, and it's time outside of your normal career responsibilities. I think it's phenomenal information to have. It helps you get along better in your relationships, with your influence in your organizations or at home, anywhere. And so if I can be of assistance to help shorten your learning curve, make the learning curve a little less steep, because I've taken a lot of time putting this program together for you. So don't be afraid to reach out. Let's talk together on a free strategy call. Let's talk through your issues, share your story, because it may not just be helping you, it could help others in your organization and those around you. So go ahead, it's a free strategy session. I'd love to meet you and see if we can work things out and get you back on track. I look forward to meeting you.